Hi, I'm Janusz, and in this video I will show you how to create your own review certificate and insert it into your website in a few minutes. With the Trustindex review certificate you can increase your sales by an additional 8%, and it is proven by hundreds of our customers. Trustindex verifies your business details and reviews and gives you a review certificate widget for it, which you can upload to your website. This way your website visitors feel more safe browsing and shopping on your site. Only the best companies can get their review certificate. Those who have a rating score of 4.0 or above and have at least 30 reviews altogether. This is basically to ensure that customers are satisfied with the services and products of the companies. The review certificate builds customer trust on each page of the website without distracting the visitor from browsing or shopping. The certificate summarizes the rating score, collects the main business and contact details, and Trustindex checks and verifies the credibility of these. Visitors are most concerned about online fraud because they are most afraid of unknown websites where they have not yet made a purchase. Trustindex helps you increase trust and sales with the review certificate. In the next part of the video, we will show you how to create your own review certificate in 3 minutes. After logging into your Trustindex account, click on the Widget Configurator menu and select Review Certificate. To begin, click on Get Your Free Certification button. First, you will have to fill out your company information, brand name, a short description, and contact information such as phone number, email address, company name, and company address. For maximum customer trust, we advise that you fill out all the details for your certificate. Then click on Next and modify your widget settings for the review certificate. This is where you can really customize the certificate for your company. It's important to choose the badge type that best describes your business. We offer 9 different badges currently: Trusted Site, Shop, Place, Business, Clinic, Excellent Provider, Reviews, Service, Rating. This badge will be displayed at the bottom of your web page and will be clickable so the review certificate pops up. The most popular certificates are the Trusted Site and Trusted Shop badges. These are currently used by over 5,500 companies worldwide. However, we provide a wide range of badges to cater to all business types, clinics, service providers, and even more than that. After deciding on a badge, make sure to choose the right review source for your certificate. We recommend opting for the platform you have the highest rating on, or the All Reviews source, since that displays an aggregated rating of all your platforms. For webshops or providers where there is a money-back guarantee in place, it is advised to add the money-back guarantee section to the certificate. This will also significantly increase the willingness to buy. The Exclude URL function is a good way to hide the certificate from pages where contact information or the payment itself is already being processed, so as not to disturb visitors in any way. To exclude them, simply copy the URL where you do not want the certificate widget to appear. Besides this, you can choose the font, sizing, visibility, widget language, and so on. To finish, click on the Save and Get Code button. Copy the code and add it to every page of your site to display the floating review certificate. We recommend adding the code before the closing head tag in your header template file. Based on your website type, you have several options for inserting the certificate, but the easiest is to use Google Tag Manager. We hope you liked this video and found it easy to set up your review certificate. If you would like to get to know more about Trustindex's other features, then sign up for our free 20-minute workshop, where our expert will show you why Google reviews are important for your business success, how to rank higher on Google Maps and search results with the help of reviews, how to manage your online reputation with the Trustindex system, modern automatic solutions for review management, and how to collect 15+ new reviews every day. Book your workshop appointment on the dashboard of your Trustindex account.